Step number 1, go on to YouTube, and from there you can find different videos that you could watch, and I want you to click on any of these videos. Step number 2, once you're on that video, I want you to make sure that you watch it for at least 30 seconds of the video. And step number 3, boom, you make money. Now take a look at this. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world. All this money for every single video that they watch. Now here's exactly how much money you can earn from this. If you watch one YouTube video, you can earn $7. When you're watching 10 YouTube videos, you can earn $70. And when you're watching 50 videos a day, you can earn $350. Guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want and keep on making money. This is a 100% legit method that's free. YouTube is available worldwide. You can watch it from any country in the world, and all you need is your mobile phone or a computer. And I'll show you a few examples and a few videos that you can watch, so make sure you watch the full video and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch simple YouTube videos just like these here and make up to $7 for every single video that you watch. Now the first thing that I want you to do is to click on the sign in button in the upper right corner, and that's going to take you to this page. Now if you don't have a YouTube account, you can create one, and it's free. Just click on create account. From there you can create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you log into your YouTube account, one thing that you'll notice on the left section, you can see more from YouTube. And from there, YouTube will show you some of the best performing videos right now. For example, movies and shows, gaming, live streams, fashion and beauty, learning, and sports. And in this video, I'll show you a secret strategy that nobody's talking about. Now I want you to click on this gaming category. And from there, that's going to take you to this page. There are millions of people watching these videos on YouTube, and they don't know that they could be making a lot of money, and I'll show you a secret on how to do it, and that's exactly how all of these guys are making big money right on YouTube. So right now I'm going to give you the first bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category of video, which is Minecraft. This is one of the most popular games right now, which is trending. And as you can see here, they're getting more and more views. So a lot of people want to watch these kind of gaming videos, and you could be in on this opportunity early. From there, when you click on this category Minecraft, that's going to take you to this page where you can find some specific videos about Minecraft. Look at all of these live streaming videos that are running right now, and all you got to do for the next step is to click on any of these live videos. For example, if I click on this one, that's going to take me to the live stream, and a lot of people are watching. There's a lot of demand, there's a lot of opportunities to make money online on this kind of video right on YouTube. So make sure to keep watching, and I'll show you exactly how you can make a lot of money from these kinds of YouTube videos. And you can repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos right in this category. For you to turn these YouTube videos into actual money, we have to go to a second website, which is ShrinkMe.io. Basically on this website, you have the opportunity to shorten the URL links and turn them into actual money. Don't worry, I'll make it simple for you. It's much easier than you think. Not a lot of people are talking about this strategy right now, and you could be making a lot of money if you watch the video until the end. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So the concept is really simple. You have to sign up for a free account on ShrinkMe.io, and from there you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a moment. For step number 3, you could be making money on every single video. Now very quickly, I just want to show you one example of how it works. Say for example, if you're watching this YouTube video, right under it, you can find the share button. Click on the share button and you will be able to find the YouTube URL for this particular video. And from there, I want you to click on the copy button. All we got to do now is go back to the website ShrinkMe.io and paste the link into the box, and then click on this little button after that. This website will automatically help convert and shorten the long YouTube link into a brand new special link. And as you can see here, every single time people click on this special link, you're going to get paid. That's exactly how all of these guys are making big money right here on this website every single day. Once you've earned your money, you're able to cash out with your PayPal account or Bitcoin, Web Money, Paytm, AirTM, Payeer, or bank transfer. So the first step that I want you to do is this. Go back to the home page and I want you to click on the register button. And from there, that's going to take you to a page where you can register for a brand new membership. And once again, this is 100% free and this is available worldwide. Put in your username, your email, your password, re-enter your password, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and click on the register button. When you log into your account, this is what you're going to see right here on your dashboard. For step number 2, I want you to click on this button on the top, which is New Shorten Link. That's where you're going to copy and paste our YouTube URL link, and we can shorten that link. All we're going to do is just go back to our YouTube video and we're going to click on the share button and copy this URL link. Then go back to the dashboard and paste the link right here in this box. And then click this shorten button and you can see that that's the shorten link. So right now for step number 3, I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for 3 different videos. The more videos that you copy the link for, the more money you're going to make. The bonus tip that I want to share with you, you'll need to focus on this particular category because you're going to be making a lot of money and I want you to focus specifically on live streaming videos. For example, I'm going to click on this video and that's going to take me to a different live streaming video. With this amount of people watching a video, you can make a lot of money. From here, once again, you're going to repeat the same strategy. Click on the share button, copy the URL link, go to ShrinkMe.io and paste in a second link. Now click on shorten, and that's the second link that we successfully shortened. Remember what I told you, just repeat the same strategy, go and find different videos, copy the link, and then shorten the URL link. Now moving on to the final step, I want you to go to forums.pcgamer.com. Now basically, this is a gaming website platform where a lot of people are discussing different strategies to play different games. And right now for Minecraft, there's just a lot of different discussions going on. And a lot of people are talking about this game and it's really trending and popular right now. They're getting millions and millions of views every single day. This is going to be your biggest opportunity to capture this trend, combine the power of ShrinkMe.io, and you can make a lot of money from all these YouTube videos. Now basically what you can do is that you can sign up for a free account on the PC Gamer community and you can share a post and your shortened link on the forum. And from there, you're going to be getting a lot of clicks and a lot of people will view your link, click on your link, and watch the video. So for every single click, you're going to be making money. And from just one video, you could be making hundreds to thousands of dollars. For those of you guys who are still watching, I want to give you a special bonus tip that will help you earn more money compared to other people. Now, this is going to be a website that I never share with other people, but since you're still here, I'm going to share it with you. And that website is moot.us. This is a special forum where you can find different people sharing things about this game. And there are a lot of people posting up different images, different photos, and different videos. And as you can see, they're getting a lot of views about Minecraft. So right now, as a final bonus that I want to share with you to help you make more money is to give you this 100% copy and paste template that you can use to improve your workflow. And you can share this post on the PC Gamer community or the moot.us forum as well. From there, you're going to be getting a lot of clicks on your shortened link and you could be making a lot of money. So this is just one of the examples, which is really simple to improve your workflow process and to get a lot of clicks. The template says, have you guys checked out this amazing Minecraft gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. And then you can watch the live streaming right here. And then this is where you're going to put your shortened link. So just go back to your dashboard and just copy this link here and go back to our template and paste the link right there. And that's our shortened link. All we have to do is just copy this entire template and then we just post it into our PC Gamer community or the forum. You don't have to put in a lot of effort because for these particular gaming videos, they're really trending and they're really popular right now, especially if you're finding good videos on YouTube, which are getting a lot of views. It's going to be easy to get a lot of clicks on your shortened links. That's exactly how all of these guys are making so much money from different countries in the world for every single video that they watch. And you're all set. I hope this idea stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, feel free to leave a comment below. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.